Hello, good people of DSST. I'm here to help you out making your drawings. The first thing you want to do is you want to double click on your drawing and that will automatically open up the edit window. And what you can do here is you can modify every single thing that you see here. So we can change like the text box, we can move that around or stuff like that. And since we're working on waves right here, this represents longitudinal waves of a fire truck not moving, and we want to change it so it is moving, right? And so the way you do that is you select these circles and you can drag and drop them so that you can change them into ellipses, right? So for example, if the fire truck was moving up, imagine that the fire truck was moving up, we can move all these circles down right here so that we have these waves that are much more spaced apart. Right, and so once we've got those waves, I think that looks pretty good. All you got to hit is save and close, and it'll take a second because it takes a while to process, and then it'll put it up right here. So hopefully that gives you some insight into what to do. Remember, this is not the correct answer. This was just me helping you draw out the waves when they're stretched out. Thank you. Have a good one.